Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's vlog we are here at SMX Convention Center Manila. We will welcome you to the biggest and craziest event of the year, the Travel Madness 2025. Tara at pasukin na natin dahil maghanap tayo ng mga good deals for your hotel accommodation, mga tour packages and also airfare. Sige, tara!
Elementary to the mountain region.
Thank you.
Go loud. Come into the garden, let's go loud. Spells every under the sun, the king team. Show me with the girl, the brain thing. Now sing along in the spring swing like this.
我知道我的未来不是梦，我战斗过每一分钟。我的未来不是梦，我的心跟着希望在动。我的未来不是梦，我认真度过每一分钟。
Live na live tayo ngayon dito sa SMX Convention Center Manila, where travel dreams turn into real life adventure. So tara at mag-ikot-ikot na tayo. So yun, una kong hanapin siguro yung mga travel agency because they're offering a lot of discounts sa mga tour packages. So ihuhuli na natin yung mga hotel accommodation. So naghahanap na lang tayo guys ng travel agency na check natin kung may mga offer sila na Beijing or Chongqing. Hopefully meron. But yeah, this is my 4th time attending sa Travel Madness, no? So if I'm not mistaken, parang once a year itong nangyayari. Or twice, no? Kasi madalas na natin itong ganitong June or July. So ito may mga ano naman dito, may mga travel agency katulad this one. So may mga travel agency naman dito, katulad nito. So Greece, may Athens, Great Britain, karamihan dito Europe. Tapos UK, Brazil. So check natin the name of these travel agencies. Travel Specialist Venture. Dito yun sa may Hall 2. So yung Hall 2. Tandaan nyo yun, if you're looking for that European trip or US, just go here sa Travel Specialist Venture. And also, maghanap tayo ng mga travel agency naman na nag-offer naman ng local. No, so that's our goal right now. So maghanap tayo ng mga local. So, tsaka yung may halong international. So this is the place, the Ellen's Travel. Yan, may El Nido sila on the Bay Island, Shanghai. So $369. For sure, mayroon yung mga exclusion, no? May mga hindi kasama dyan kasi yung Shanghai ko nabayaran ko ng 23,000. Tapos parang nagbayad pa ako ng additional ano. Yan. So meron din silang Coron, El Nido, Hong Kong. This Hong Kong is very expensive for me. It's $558 US. So yun. So if you're looking for ano naman, Japan visa, so this is your place. This is the attic, no? So look for attic. So nandito sila, they have promotions then for the tour packages as well as for visa. They'll help you. So aside from that, ito another travel agency, it's Las Palmas Tour and Travels. So basically madami namang travel agency dito, no? So if you're going here naman sa tapat ng travel agency, you'll see Philippine Airlines. So you have Philippine Airlines here. Then ano, behind Philippine Airlines will be AirAsia. So you'll see here AirAsia. Yan. Tapos let's tour pa dito sa mga una niya. So you'll see a lot of mga local hotel katulad dito ng Twin Lakes and Hotel Lucky Chinatown. You'll see also Sunlight Hotel for Coron and your Puerto Princesa. No? Tapos you have here Esa Shang. No?
Sunlight. Ito ko ba?
Then for your Hong Kong, this one you should try this one. The Art Travel Express Incorporated. So you'll see a lot of international. This one is airfare lang to. This one. Ito nakikita nyo dyan. This one is airfare. So let's see yung mga tour packages na available. So, papansin nyo to guys. Fly now, pay later. So that's one of the benefit ng pag-attend sa mga ganitong travel expo because you get a chance to avail this kind of promotions na hindi available sa mga website ng mga airlines. So this one, diba yan? So yan yung mga fare, pero mapapansin nyo yung notation niya, fly now, pay later. So basically, parang gagawin nila installment yung pagbabayad yun ng ticket. So you have here, no, it's not, ticket ba to? Tour packages, sorry. It's tour packages, nakita nyo. Hong Kong, it's $98 US. You have here Bangkok as well, na $99 US. So, approximately nasa 5,000 lang yan. No? So, you have Da Nang as well. So, kaso yun lang, 3 days and 2 nights lang yan. So, you have also Tokyo, you have Nagano, Osaka, Guam. So, pakita natin ulit yung Hong Kong and Bangkok. So yun, dito nyo lang yun ma-avail ha. Sorry ha, i-correct ko lang yung sarili ko. It's not airfare lang, basically it's a tour package na. Tapos this is one of the well-known travel agency na umaatid sa mga travel fair, including the PTAA. This one is the PAC Travel and Tours. So here, so basically yung mga promotions sila. No? So may mga installments sila katulad nito. It's 3,490 per month. That's one good thing about these events, no? So hindi ka mahihirapan maproblema sa mga travel na pinaplano mo. So yun. Tapos you have also here yung mga Tokyo, Osaka, no? Hokkaido, Sydney. So yun. So it's quite cheaper compared to ibang travel agency, no? The good thing about this travel agency is that tie up sila ng BPI. So basically, you're paying for the installment and also, napaplano mo ahead of time yung future travel mo, no? So all in na yun, when you say tour packages, lahat yun, that includes your accommodation, your airfare, and then also yung tour. So bayad na lahat yan. Ang hindi lang bayad minsan dyan is yung mandatory tip. Yan ang mga hidden charges sa mga travel agency, may mga mandatory tip na binibigay sa travel agency naman na mag-a-assist sa'yo dun sa country of destination mo. Then also, you have here yung mga luggages. No? So, mga promo yan. You'll see a lot of luggages here as well as this one. This one is 50% off na. So, yan. Diba? Very good items, right? So, yun. Durable, okay. So, don't forget to visit this one. This is Travel Lex. No? So, yan. This is their promotion. Yeah.
Dami makita yun, sir.
Sa YouTube. Tapos sa dulo naman, if you're planning for your future Japan trip, so you'll see here the booth of JAL, Japan Airlines. So yan. They have promotions available here. So you also have here another booth of Japan. What? So basically, it's complete, travel expo, no? Marami namang countries na participants, no? So nakita natin yung Hong Kong, yung Taiwan, and also Japan, no? So they're giving away this one, this eco bag. Tapos may mga brochures na yan. But they also have here information corner, no? Now, after that, so basically from Japan booth, you'll see here yung parang food stalls nila dito sa event na to. So hindi ka na magugutom sa event na to. So you have here plenty of options. Yan. So hindi na natin isa-isa yan. So hindi ka na lalabas ng convention center when you're here, no? So yun. Tapos another travel agency, no? They're offering promo fares for Japan Airlines. Tapos sa inyo mga ano nila, yung mga rates nila, no? So $70 plus I suspect yung mga ganun, yun yung installment mo, no? So basically parang you're paying 4,000 pesos per month. So yun, yeah, for kung magkano siya, like how many months mo mabayaran, I don't know. Pero siyempre magdedepende yan sa tour package na avail mo ko. 3 days, 2 nights, or 4 days, 3 nights. So you also have here Manila Hotel. So may Manila Hotel dito, Canyon Hotel and Resorts as well, no?
Thank you.
So yun.
So
very good dong ano. When you go here, you'll see the Paradise Garden Resort Hotel and Convention Center, Boracay. You also have here Thunderbird Resorts and Casino. And also this one, Ibis. This one, Ibis, familiar ako sa Singapore. I don't know if that is one of their parang part of their hotel, no? So, tapos you'll see a lot of food stalls din dito beside Manila Hotel here, no? So again, kapag nandito ka na sa convention center, hindi ka nalalabas, hindi na muna poproblemahin yung paglabas dahil para lang maganap ng food because ang daming food selections here. Tapos another mga bags, travel bag and luggages na available here sa event na to. Look for travel time, no? Ayan, travel time. Another booth here ng Zubik Safari, no? So yan, so may mga activities available. Yeah. Yan. Yeah. So here are the tour packages na available for Zubik, diba? So this one is Bayview Park and Hotel. So yun yung located sa may sa Ross Boulevard. You also have here Okada. So they have promotions available. Exclusive lang dito sa event na to.
That's a whole shot talking to Great Vista. Everything to do.
So basically, it's very complete travel expo. But then again, hindi siya kasing laki ng PTA na nangyari noong February or March ba? Yeah. This is one of the most important thing sa event na to is the Korean booth. So they have here basically mga activities na pwede mong gawin dito yung pagsusot ng handbook, no? Tapos may mga games pa doon beside na yun. Then also if you're looking for promo na Asiana Airlines, you also have here, no? So you can inquire on this booth, no? Yung mga current promotion nila for the Travel Madness Expo. So very cheap compared to online offers, no? So very good yan. Then also when you go here, you'll see Korean Air as well. Sorry, dito Korean Air, another airline if you're planning for your commercial flight, no? So Korean Air is one of the possible options na pwede mong pagpilian. You also have here Keba, no? Or Korea Visa Application Center. So they have here information available on this event. So this is basically the information. So the visa is 9 to 4 p.m. Issuance will be 1 to 5. So this is their contact number, email address, and also the location. So for your application, you need to go use a Brittany Hotel. Beside Asamora. Tapos they also have here website, no? So there's a lot of representative na pwede mag-assist sa inyo. So hindi kayo maliligaw dito. So also ito yung mga activities na pwede mo gawin sa booth nila, no? Yeah. Natawa yung mga gumagawa ng pamaypay ba yun sa Korean booth because they're not expecting na magiging party sila ng vlog. So, wala eh. We have to caption everything, no? In line with our, commitment to promote this travel expo, no? So, yan. So, you also have here, Twin Lakes Hotel and Hotel Lucky Chinatown. So, yun. Tapos may mga promos din sila na available on this event. Syempre hindi din mawala ang hotel and resort. So they have offerings. Syempre if you're planning for your local getaway, if you plan to go to Peron, Siargao, so this is the airline, no? I think this Sunlight is already part of Cebu Pacific. I don't know if I got it correct, no? But let's see. I-correct ko na lang if mali yung information ko. Pero alam ko may na-acquire si Cebu Pacific na another independent na airline. Katulad ng Sunlight. So yan, another travel agencies, guys. No? Kabilaan yan. So, again, if you're here sa event na to, then you can avail for the installment, no? So, basically, you're going to avail the tour packages. Tapos, you have options to pay it in installment, no? Now, as for what cards are particular na dapat yung gamitin on this event, BPI lang talaga because yun yung ka-tie up niya, no? But if you're using another credit card, let's say RCBC, RCBC, Metrobank, and ano nga ba to? East West Bank, so you can still use that one, but yung installment na parang yung mga terminal dito nila automatic na mag-offer na installment, then BPI lang talaga yun. Naka-default na yun eh. So here, beside me is the Taiwan booth, no? Ayan, yung booth yan. So sali kayo sa mga games, there are a lot of games na available. Then also this current promotion sila, exclusive lang ata dito sa event na to. So basically, it's win a flight to Taiwan. So, they are offering 3 Taiwan flight tickets. New Taiwan PC card. So, nagkakalagay na $599 US. New Taiwan dollar. You also have your Uber neck. So guys, pauwi na rin tayo, and sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, please do subscribe here in my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video if may mga kakilala kayo na paplano ng future travel nila. So this is for you guys. Once a year lang to nangyayari tong event na to. So you have the opportunity to get good deals, no? So that's all for today, guys, and see you on my next YouTube vlog. Bye-bye!